So, going on my morning walk today, got Carver in the backpack, and we're going a little faster because it's Sunday. I was planning on working a little bit. I got to go out of town here after a while. I think it went on Wednesday. I have to go out of town, which will be interesting. And then I got a birthday party today, so that's exciting. I'm trying to keep up with this exercise, and my arm's killing me though. I did my arm day for yesterday. The left arm still hurts right in the bicep. Must have really ripped that muscle. Ugh. Anyway, I'll see if there's anything cool on this walk.